on the inside. Tall people like me. Yeah. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop off the rims. No. I'm gonna go to get the adapter first. Okay. Perfect. All right. I'm on my way. Ruby, I'm heading out. I'm gonna run some errands. Huh? Okay. I'll find it. All right. I'll be back. Alrighty.
Move it in and out like that.
And then when you push it in, it's supposed to push itself back out.
Yeah, it should be like hard to push in and then it pops right back up.
So the bumper's not on yet. They told you it was ready, but now they're saying that it's not ready. Oh, wait. But are we, but no, remember, we're not doing nothing yet. We're not making the, correct. All right, so you're just getting the estimate. Hey, long time no see.
Yes.
Happy New Year, happy birthday. Congrats to the new babies. I mean, it's so long. He's doing a documentary on us on JDM.
Okay.
And then this is kind of like a day in the life of me, what I do and all that. So
Right.
it's okay. Last time I know I came to you with an adapter, but this is kind of 4x1, 10 to 1, 4x100 to 110. I don't know if you have. This is like this is a prayer right now.
Right. I can check and see if they
you have
make any, but yeah, we wouldn't have anything for sure.
Oh, because it's just you don't have them so small.
We normally don't do any adapters. All in all, you know.
All in all, okay.
Yeah, adapters we normally special order because they're the company we get them from. They're custom built.
Got it.
They're not sitting on the shelf because
So
every
proper.
vehicle is
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
I don't know who would have something like that on hand.
Oh man.
To be somebody who does with like
That
type
kind of
cars.
small.
Yeah. I think I would say you would be the one.
I ran out. I
who
don't
goes
have any.
adapters.
I don't have any.
Yes.
I don't have any. Which actually brings me to the fact that I should actually stop that
Yes, if you're going
now.
to be doing
A
that
lot of
type rims,
opportunities come out of
yes,
need.
Yes.
So I'm actually gonna stock up on some now.
Yes.
All right.
So sorry.
Don't worry about it. Good seeing you. How's the family? Good.
Okay,
Everybody's
good.
Thank you, yeah.
All right. Thanks, brother.
Yeah, let us know if you need anything else.
Thank you. All right, hello. I was just hoping on the off chance he may have had something. So now, this seat, as much as it, you don't like it, but we're gonna have to cut off one of these, these edges. So he's gonna separate the top and bottom, and then give us back basically the objective is to get rid of one of the edges, the outer edge. So this being the passenger seat would be this edge. Needs to get cut off. All right, so now I'm going to the upholstery shop. Siri called John. Happy birthday, happy Kwanzaa, happy Juneteenth, happy Hanukkah, happy new baby, everything. I need an adapter, bro. 100 to 110, yeah. I'm on my way to you because I figured if it's one person would have it, because I don't have it, it would be you. All right, thank you. All right, thanks, bye. I'm literally hunting for an adapter. This truck's got to get out, meet the shipping date, which is on the 8th. Today's the 4th, and we got to fit these rims on, and we have to make the boat, so it's crunch time. All right. Mr. King, good morning. We're gonna try one side because when you get into the seat, only one side, and I think it looks good because with the bumps on this side and the bump on the other side, it kind of creates a little, nice cove. So separate this and this other seat. Give me back just the metal bottom. I will cut off that because if you see here, it's almost like it's separated. See?
It is separate. You gotta cut off this frame.
Correct. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
So if you could give this back to me without fabric.
But you gotta somehow. Oh, we're gonna open up.
Yeah,
You're
and
gonna
then we
take
could.
it out.
Yeah.
Also, you leave the one side like this.
Yes.
And the other, only the
Yes.
outer side.
Yes.
In and out.
Yeah,
you
so
know,
this is the passenger side. So what's that? The passenger
This is the
side.
driver
So you're
side.
gonna take off the. No,
This-
that's the passenger. Passenger driver's side. No, that's the passenger.
JDM. Pa-
Japanese.
passenger as in Japanese.
Passenger.
That's the left
This
side.
is the left side.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'm gonna bring the right side because the other one is in the driver's seat right now. They need to move the car, so I wanted to do one first.
The driver side meaning the right side.
Correct.
Yeah, just use
Yeah,
left,
yeah,
right.
I'm confused.
So we go
Yeah,
right on
left,
that.
right, left, right, yeah.
So this is the left chair.
Yeah, because you gotta get rid of this.
Siri, call Archie.
You sit on it, you just sit. Damn, this Japanese guy got stuck computing. So this gotta be.
This was supposed to be on the. I thought
This
I
is
took
the
out the
driver's
left seat.
side. This is the driver's
This is
side.
the driver, but I think
Yeah, I think this. Oh, you need the money like different. Let's put them in the table. Come on, young guy. Please. No. Right there. Yeah.
Siri, call Marcel.
It's not like it's a factory seat. It could have came off a different car. you
Okay.
know? And they just changed the bracket. Yeah.
So you might
Now, do you know?
They both
do
might be
you
damaged
think
on the
if-
right side.
So maybe. So
rocket.
maybe. Wait, can you? I wonder if this. If
Hey. Once we take it apart, you're gonna take them back anyway. Then you can figure it
Exactly,
out.
exactly.
Gee, why
See?
you worry about it now?
okay, so
Dang.
don't worry about it because we were trying to figure out left or right, but he was like, look, after we take off the fabric, you're gonna have to go back anyway, so we could figure it out then. So smart guy. I told you that's why I come here. Thank
No,
you,
no,
Archie.
I
we
thought
got
you
it.
come here for just for my look.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
No luck. Zeroed
Yeah,
out. So I
sorry.
got one more ace in the hole. I called him, asked him about the adapters. He's gonna check and let me know. If not, we gotta order Amazon, and then I'm gonna stockpile them and basically, be that guy, because people need them. I'm still actively. This is still in play. So he's gonna come back in like 5 minutes. So it's still in play. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it to you. When
So
you're
what are you doing in Japan?
I buy cars, I sell cars here.
Uh-huh.
I facilitate repairing my cars in Japan, the
Oh.
ones before they come here. Because
Ah.
once they come here, it's very expensive. It's literally about almost 2.5 times the
Really?
cost to repair cars here.
Oh, they
than
got
it is
the,
in
already got the
Japan.
parts.
They
and
got
they
the
already got the
exactly. Everything is there.
Yeah.
You don't have to. So like now, if I was in Japan,
Uh-huh.
I'll just go to Up Garage, get a seat, throw it in, boom, done.
Yeah.
It's done. Easy,
Yeah,
easy.
Right.
The once we're here,
Uh,
we kind of SOL.
ah.
So we have to just deal with it and tap into the skilled people like yourself. And never a dull moment in my days. Always trying to configure, trying to fix, trying to make things work, piece things together, putting out fires. And at the end of the day, I actually feel happy about it. The first day I came back, I told you, I almost drove on the left-hand side. Yes and no, because I'm driving and I'm trying to, no, it's okay. So walk me through. So the rims we have at Sky right now that we brought down from JDM, those, I thought you said they didn't fit. So do they fit now? Because that was the whole point of getting the adapters. So you just need 2 more pieces, actual rim. 2 more. I do. Remember I told you I have 2 actual rim. Those are on display, but they have like these oversized knobbies on them. They have like little swampers. Oh, got it. It's the actual, I see. Because what happened was we had a complete set that got broken up. So, that's right. So, correct. So, of the set, 1 got damaged from chunks back in the day, remember? And that one, because we sent it and they got damaged and we couldn't figure out, no one accepted fault. The other one was sold to the customer who wanted a 5th wheel as a one-off, so that broke that set. All right, let me call him back, but a couple minutes away. I talk about 30 hours a month on the phone. 30 hours, 30 plus hours, come on. That's a lot of talk. So you don't have the adapter. Oh my God. All right, yeah. This was like the last piece of the treasure. All right, thank you, buddy. All right. Hey, Ruby. Hey. Yes, I just spoke to them. Siri, call Archie. Hey. Hey. No go. I know. Hey. Do we know what size they are? Are they 110 or 1 no? Hey, can you do me a favor? The rims in the showroom right that are against the truck that we displayed this morning, they're in the back of the truck. Take those to Archie right now for me, please. Because the other set of rims that we were trying to find, we can't find the adapter to do it, and it's just right now we're not working out. So I have to get those other rims. All right, so now they're gonna put gas in Rusty, jump in that, and then he's gonna take the rims down to the repair shop, which we will get, so we can get the customer's truck shipped out. They look way better because those are 8-inch, I think, versus the 6-inch that's on it right now. All right. Yes. Nice. But it's yes. They're not gonna fit. What? No, they don't. So they fit. Nice. Wow. Nice. Go, because that's right. The Daihatsu. It's yeah. Let's go. Yep. I know, and that's exactly what he wanted. That's what he wanted. Yes. Thank you. Mission accomplished. Yes. Thank you. Oh, can you do a balance one time? Can you balance those wheels? Okay. Thank you. All right. Bye. Miracle. The set that was on the midget. We forgot about that.
Those are 4x110.
100. It's 4x100.
And they're adapters? The midget is 100% 4x110.
They just told me.
And they said it fits?
They fit.
Okay.
I'm thinking like, I thought it wouldn't fit.
I don't know how that's possible.
Me.
Unless there was, just the midget is 100% 4x110. And the new Daihatsu is 100% 4x100. But if it fits, it fits.
They said it fit.
It fits, it fits.
Even with, so you know the tires on the midget that were like this size?
Yeah.
It's basically the same 12-inch tire.
Yeah. Without having to stretch it.
Without having to do nothing because it's already mounted, and so it just literally just swapped tires.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Perfect. This is not bad. This is not bad at all. I'm gonna get there before he gets back with the gas in the truck. Nice. Have you shot her yet or no? Wait a minute. Okay. All right. Give me like a minute. I'll be there. Thank you. Bye bye. Siri, call Archie. I really need to reconfirm these rims. I need a picture. I need a picture.
Unless the rims are like 4 lug, like 2 different lug patterns.
No.
What year is that midget, you know?
It had to be a 97, 95. Hey, buddy, quick question. The rims, they're solid 4 lug, right? They're not like multiple combination lug. Because, exactly, and they fit and the midget is the same thing. Yeah, they fit.
Oh, wow.
Can you take a picture? I know, yes. Can you take a picture of me? I'm like, what? Oh, on the. Okay, thank you. Send it to me. Thank you. All right, thank you. Yep. So we just got back to JDM. One of my nice customers are here. She bought a 98 Miata, which is basically it's an American
Roadster.
version of a Miata. It's an Enos Roadster in Japan. It has an insane body kit on it. Let's check it out. They got it sorted out. They pulled the rims off of the midget in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Once.
Problem solved. So yeah, return to base. Oh man.
You know what the plate means?
That's her name.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Huh. Yeah. So number 1. Yeah, that's her.
I remember when he first got this, I think a year ago. Interior is beautiful. Body kit is sick. No more pop-up, up and down headlights. But a really nice car.
Wow. What a day. Wow.
Starts your day in Kong and your day in Rusty.
Yes, sir. We did a bunch of secret shooting. That's as much as I can say. Drones, just all over, all over the place. Wow. Stay tuned. Look at this.
It's exactly what he wanted.
This is exactly what he wanted.
This is what after the 40 phone calls?
Yes. But I mean,
Does it clear on the swing?
it clears without without trim.
Nice.
Yeah, clears without trim. And now what I'm gonna do is now look at the height of this. Oh, that's compared to this.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
here versus here.
So this has a 2-inch lift kit?
this has a regular lift. So
Oh, like the one in the back. Okay,
yeah,
okay,
this has
okay,
a
okay.
regular lift on it.
Okay.
So that's we did a 2-inch lift, and the tires that gave it. So with these tires, normally you see, wow, it's about here.
Yeah.
Literally about here. The OEM one.
And it's a scissor lift, which makes it
And
even
it's a
better.
silver lift. So now you got about 10
Yeah, I got like, I know.
of height. Right? Yeah. So can you take a picture? You have who's his contact? You? Take a picture and send it to him.
Yeah, if you guys remember all the running around we're doing today, trying to get the right pattern. Apparently, these came off a midget.
And then send it.
From my understanding, all the midgets are 4x110, but I'm not Nostradamus when it comes to K cars. But this thing is sweet. Fuel injected, speakers. They added a double din, nice interior seats. Only 93,000 kilometers. AC, of course.
I'll send it.
This got professionally bedlined with the spray.
It's been a long day. A lot of filming, a lot of excitement, a lot of smiling, a lot of camera in my face. Sometimes the camera's like right here, and I try to turn them like, oh. All in a day's work, just driving all over. How many miles did I clock today? Let me see. And today is a slow day for my driving. Let's see. Siri, how much is 82 kilometers a mile?
52.
About 48, 50, 50. About 50 miles. It's funny, you said 58.
Yeah, both too off. I go too high, you go too low.